What's up, Snoop? Oh, I hope this is not a keyboard bug. Come on. I'm like, I have PTSD from having a MacBook that where some of the keys didn't work. It's really annoying. Also that's not the case. Okay, just seems to be like the console. Um, is it using Nodemon? Sure, probably. Nodemon is a way to monitor changes in files,
Two, four,
and then
and
it
have
will
it back
update
there
and
again.
reload certain parts of Node
Seven
on
to
command.
nine.
Tracker is saying no,
Look how
it is
much
not.
more training I have done, like simply starting at 4. Right? And so now you do that, and as the years go on, the separation that you have with your competitors and your peers just grows larger and larger and larger and larger and larger. And by year 5 or 6, doesn't matter what kind of work they do in the summer, they're never
Never
going
gonna
to catch
catch
up.
up. They're never going to catch up, dude. Back at it. Back at
Really
it.
just using like a watch mode build on top of Turbo. If you're interested, you can probably go into scripts and you can look and see there's dev.sh. I'm pretty sure it's what's doing all the control, unless Checker tells me I'm wrong. But yeah, it's using watch, which is kind of under the hood. Linux and Mac and all those are able to watch for file changes and send triggers back up, and that's kind of what's happening. Okay, so we want to test this. It's definitely working. Yo Snoop, yo Snoop. Um, call. I'm really concerned that it doesn't like my end. Hello, you know what? I can't handle this. It's driving me nuts. Let's go to our console. Select your agent, Eliza. Wait. Oh, that's why. Characters equals slash characters slash Snoop dot JSON. Make sure we're running Snoop. Very important. Not sure why it's rebuilding. It's weird. Let that build. Great. And then if I go here, this will check this out, right? Just so you guys know. And I'll make this run up with dev. I don't think you guys do now, but if I go to client and I go pnpm run dev in client, and just to be clear, I'm in the Eliza repo. I go to that cd client, and there's a client here, right? Client is a folder here, source. I go pnpm run dev. It's gonna run a client in the background. If I open that and I click on Snoop, I click on chat. I don't know why it's default there, but I can now be like, hey, what's up? Hopefully you gets back to me, right? And you call the hello world action. Check this out. Well, that's clearly, it did call the action. I actually think it called in wrongly with the action. No action found in the response content. Yeah, it's actually not. It's a little bit too dumb. I'd be like, no, I need you to respond with action hello world. And like you shouldn't be like, hey, call this action. It should be something that's decided to do because of some description and conditions and stuff. Do it, test it, like don't call the action, but it'll decide on actions on its own, right? My bad nephew. Here's the action you needed, and you can see this is definitely working, which is definitely the code here, right? So okay, cool. This is getting mangled because ASCII gets mangled, but it's definitely working. Bunch was asking, so you don't need to do anything for plugins in the character file, correct? Well, you can actually include plugins in the character file, and if you go into packages core, just for example, like default character, you'll see that we have a empty plugins for the default character, and this would be you could actually include the DevSchool plugin right here, and it actually you shouldn't do this; it's really terrible. But theoretically, you could like do this and inject them here. The other thing you could do, and this is kind of work in progress, but you go into your character file, Snoop, and you type in let's say plugins, and you can say AI16z slash 72. You can change that school like that, right? Plugin dash testable. And this should dynamically load this plugin as well. This would be, it has to still be installed, but at least it would be dynamically loaded. And then each agent, as long as it's installed, could have a different set of dynamically loaded plugins. Maybe one has a Dream one has Solana, one has both. It's kind of whatever you want. But typically, the way that you'll see me working through it is through the agent abstraction. So if you go to github.com slash AI16D slash Eliza, no, not Eliza, just AI16D, we have this Eliza starter, and this is like just the agent. This is just the agent. This is not. I guess folder myself on. Oh, okay, we'll do that. But this is like this is where you go into your package, install your client and plugin that you want, and then go and import it directly into your agent here. You can see that like new agent runtime. You can see that the plugins you need here. So one will probably want to add their plugins here. We'll have a hosted platform soon. We just select plugins you want to install. Probably like a marketplace sort of structure, so you can make and sell plugins they want. Or you could so just kind of whatever you want. But I will say that the character plugins can also be loaded dynamically. So if you pass the character into plugins, it will work. The plugins can be loaded separately. You can see that plugins for all characters and some special character plugins. And then you also add like providers, action service managers, stuff like that, right? Even though those are also inside of plugins. There's many different ways to add plugins. Um, so question, can you include custom plugins as well? Yes, absolutely. You should absolutely make your own plugins. And so if I was like working on my character, I could just go make a plugin, right? I mean, it doesn't have to be in a package. Like I could use, let's say I'm in the agent package, right? I'm just in this freaking, I'm in source right here. I'm just like const my plugin. And I can just plug in, it's got those, and you need to make sure we're putting the right plugin. Oh, it's not gonna be happy. And that has a hello world action is here. Like let's say just to be crazy, right? You wouldn't do this, but you actually, I mean, a lot of you will. But like I go to my dev school, I go to my hello world action, and I just copy and paste all of this in here. Screw it, why not? Right now I got the whole action in here. Screw it. What are you gonna do? And in my hello, and then I'll just put the hello world action in a plugin. And now I'll put my plugin in the list of plugins. And now instead of having the DevTool plugin be somewhere else, I just like shoved it horribly into a single file in my agent. But it works the same. It's just a way to like tell it, hey, here's some stuff, get it in here. As long as it follows the right plugin conventions, you're golden, right? Not gonna do anything crazier. You're like, I don't need that freaking my plugin. What am I doing? I just need an action. And I can just go down here and say, well, let's just put the action. I love action, right? So it's got plugins, it's got character plugins, and it's got actions. So the question, why do we need to use Eliza versus Eliza Starter if I can just create my custom plugins from there? Well, Eliza is it's a mono repo, so it includes a lot of things. The Eliza Starter is actually in like the code for it is in the mono repo of here, just like everything else is. Actually, make sure that's right. Create Eliza app, which